Hey guys, welcome to EddieTech Defender YouTube channel where you can learn free ethical hacking and other social media money. Make strategy, so how's going your day? I hope, well, comment in your answer. So today we're diving into the exciting world of ethical hacking by setting up a virtual lab. A virtual lab allows you to practice your hacking skills safely and legally. So let's get started. First, we need virtualization software. I recommend using VirtualBox. It's free and user-friendly. Download it from the official website and install it on your machine. So my dear friends, there have different way to set a process, so don't miss any tips and tricks. So let's get started with the installation. Select your browser as you like. Oh, don't see. Forget it. Oh, sorry. Type virtualbox.org. Okay, we reached this website. Now click download. Look here, have different operating systems, so you can choose as you like. Am selected Windows. I have already, so I'm cancel it. Then after finished, you must download the extension pack. What is VirtualBox extension pack? The VirtualBox extension pack adds extra features like USB support and remote desktop access, and have some others feature also. So click here and it's downloaded. I have already, so cancel L, then take a new tab and type kali.rg, then click download. There have VirtualBox and images file options. Kali Linux offers two download options to create to different user needs. Actually, VirtualBox image. This is pre-configured option allows users to quickly run Kali in a virtual environment without installation. It's ideal for those who want to test or use Kali without modifying their main OS. And the ISO image. This is the standard installation file for creating bootable media. It's suitable for users who want to install Kali directly on hardware or customize the installation process. So follow me and look there, have type off VirtualBox. Also, no worry, we discuss about it later. So we selected VirtualBox, so click here and download it. After download, install all thing as a run, as administer. So dear guys, just follow my step very carefully. It's very simple and easiest way. After setup, we discuss about it. So when your installation proceeds, done, it's open, same interface. No need to do anything because virtualization process, it's very simple. So just click here, then selected extension, then click plus icon and just select your downloading extension file and install, pop-up click, it's done. So turn back downloading folder where our Kali image file. Look, no need for process anything. They have two VM file. You just double click this VM file, then look, magic. As you can see, it's create same VM, Kali images, then nothing to do. Yes, you can check setting, but no need to change anything. Just make sure your network by default selected NAT. Connection, you can added RAM also if you want, then simple click OK and start. After click start button here showing a login interface. Don't worry, by default user type Kali password. Also Kali. Okay, well, you got successfully all processes done, but lab setup is not complete now. You can check, open the terminal and update its working. So thanks for watching and follow the next step.